Natsumi with fitYOGAfit. Let's begin. Sitting up nice and tall, the sole of your feet together, open your knees to the side, and just bounce your knees. And now inhale, exhale, press your knee down to the mat. Inhale, exhale, press your knees down. Inhale, exhale. Inhale to lengthen, exhale to drop your knees to the side. And stay there and relax. And inhale, exhale now, bring your chest down. Inhale, lengthen, exhale to drop your chest. And inhale halfway, exhale all the way up. Okay, now keep one knee bent, other stretch out. And inhale and exhale, belly button facing toward the straight knee side, and exhale forward. And you can grab your ankle or your toes. And inhale to lengthen, exhale, forward bend. Flex your toes, try to feel the stretch on the back of your leg. Inhale halfway, exhale all the way up. Okay, now change your legs. Inhale, exhale, twist your upper body slightly and forward. Flex your toes, try to feel the stretch on the calf and hamstring. And make sure to keep your tailbone down. Inhale, lengthen your spine, crown reach. Exhale, soften your chest. Inhale, lengthen. And exhale, go deeper on the stretch. And cultivating Ujjayi Pranayama. Inhale through the nose. Exhale through the nose. Deep and long breathing. And inhale halfway. Exhale all the way up. Okay, now both knees straight and lighten up. Just relax all leg joints. To the side. And maybe this way. And now, feet together. And pointing your toes up, inhale. And exhale, forward. Hinge on your hips. Forward bend. And inhale, lengthen your spine. Exhale to soften your chest and bend deeper. Try not to hold your breath. Always cultivate deep, nice, long breathing. Inhale halfway, exhale all the way up. Very good. Okay, so now open your legs this way. And make sure to keep your toes pointing upward. And inhale, right arm stretch out. Exhale, stretch to your left. Keep your sternum lifting up, shoulder blades together, shoulders away from ears. Make sure not to collapse your knee, pointing your knees towards upward. Inhale, exhale, go deeper on the stretch. Make sure to try to keep your chest open, shoulder blades together. Inhale, exhale, back to center. Let's do the other side. Inhale, left. Arms up, exhale, stretch to your right. Make sure to keep your sitting bone down as you stretch. Toes pointing at ceiling, knees pointing at toward the ceiling. Shoulder blades together without slouching your chest. Keep your chest wide open, shoulders away from ears. Inhale. Exhale back to center. Now a little bit loosen up your joints. So now knee, toes pointing toward the ceiling. Inhale, exhale, just walk your hands forward and palms together. There, rest your forehead on top of your hands and stay there. Inhale, exhale, go deeper. Chest close to the ground. Inhale, halfway. Exhale, walk back to center. Okay, now a little bit. Again, bounce your knees. And for more like this, check out this next video. See you soon!